Well, to be very honest, when it comes to customize Windows 11 to get an amazing and the ultimate look, we really don't want to mess much. We don't want to download too much of application and need some easy method. So right now you can see I turned my Windows 11 25H2 into this amazing look with a transparent glassy file explorer, start menu and the taskbar. And you can also have this kind of glassy feel on your Windows 11 with one single application called the Windhawk, and it's very easy and very simple to do. So the very first thing that you will have to do, you need to change the wallpaper. And for that I would recommend you that you can come to this website 4kwallpaper.com, and here you can choose any wallpaper according to your choice, according to the category. Like I will go with this one, the very first one here, and I can download in the 4K, so I will click on it. Once downloaded, make a right click on it, hold up on set as and click on background. So the wallpaper will be changed here. And now to make the desktop more cleaner, what we can do, we can hide the desktop icon. So right click on the desktop, hold up to view, uncheck this show desktop icon. Alright, so now we can proceed with the customization. So bring up again any of your browser and open a new tab, and you have to search for Windhawk. Click on this first website, Windhawk, and you will be coming to the Windhawk official page, and it says the customization marketplace for Windows and program. In order to download the Windhawk, just click on download button here, and it's a small file of around 11 MB, so it won't take much time. And once it get downloaded, click on the downloaded file, click on OK. The standard installation or the portable one, so even you can go with the portable one, it's all up to you. I will click on next. Click on yes, next, install. And once you click on finish, the very first time it will come up automatically. And if you want to bring for the next time, either you can look here in the system tray, or either you can search for Windhawk. Just type Wind and you will be getting the Windhawk. Okay, so now once we have installed the Windhawk, we can proceed with the customization, and we will be starting with the File Explorer. So here in the Windhawk application only, you will have to click on Explore. And first we will be applying the transparency effect on the File Explorer. So you need to search here, Windows 11 File Explorer, and you will be getting this extension here. You will have to click on Detail. And then for each and every extension that we will be using, you can read all the detail here in the detail section, that what exactly it provide you, what kind of theme it provide you. And then even you can have a look in the source code if you are a developer, just to make sure everything is neat and safe. Alright, then you have to click on install. It gives you some message here, proceed with care. So you will have to click on accept risk and install. And once it will be installed, you will see some other options being highlighted here. You will have to click on settings. And in the theme section, click on the drop down and choose Translucent Explorer 11. Once you have selected, click on save settings. Again, click on Explorer from the right and top, and search for Translucent Windows, and you will be getting this extension here. Again, click on Detail, click on Install, click Accept Risk. Once installed, you will have to click on Settings. Under the Rendering Customization, you will have to enable Windows Theme Custom Rendering, enable it, and then Windows Theme Accent Colorizer, enable this as well. Again, scroll down, and here it says Background Translucent Effect. You will have to click on the drop down and choose Blur Accent Blur Behind, the first option. And below where it says Accent Blur Behind Color Blend, you need to replace this and type 0, capital F, and 6 times 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, scroll down a bit, and you have to enable Immersive Dark Mode Title Bar and Extend Effect into entire window. Enable it. Alright, and that's it for the File Explorer. So now you will have to click on finally save settings. And this time if I minimize it and bring up the File Explorer, so bingo. You can see it looks amazing, neat and clean. So now after File Explorer, we need to customize the Start menu. And for that, again bring up the Windhawk, click on Explore, and you have to search for Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. This one, click on Details, Again, to install, you will have to click on this install, accept, and done. Now you have to click on settings, go to the themes, click on the drop down and choose translucent start menu. And that's it. Now click on save settings, minimize it. And this time if I click on the start menu, so bingo, we have this translucent glassy start menu and the file explorer. And now we also need to make a taskbar transparent, and for that again you will have to bring up the Windhawk application, click on explore, and you will have to search for Windows 11 taskbar styler. Probably you will be getting in the suggestion here on the top. So click on this one on the detail. Again click on install, accept, settings, themes, and in the drop down you will have to choose translucent taskbar, which is on the very top. Click on it and then click on save settings. Bingo. Now you can see how neat and clean it look. The glassy translucent taskbar, the file explorer, and the start menu. Looks perfect. And only one thing that we are remaining with is the notification area on the right hand corner. We also need to make it glassy and the translucent. So again, bring up the Windhawk and then click on explore. And here only you have to search for Windows 11 notification center styler. Click on detail, click on install, accept, settings, click on the theme drop down and choose it to translucent shell. That's it. Click on save settings. So now you can see guys, without using too much of application, without messing too much, we got an amazing look here with the translucent glassy notification area, translucent glassy taskbar, start menu, and the file explorer. And as of now, I'm in the light mode of my Windows 11. You can also try switching to dark mode and see how exactly it works. Let me try. If I go to settings, click on personalization and click on color. And from here, I can choose it to dark. Okay, now this time if I bring up the start menu, it almost looks same. But probably you can try on your side as well if you have any different kind of wallpaper. Anyhow, I think dark mode is more suitable, as I don't see the white lines and white shade here like it was in the light mode. So dark mode seems to be much better. And now the best part is, after applying all these changes, if you bring up the task manager, and you will find here that Windhawk is not anywhere in the top list of these applications that is occupying the high resources. And even if I look for the Windhawk by scrolling down, so here on the very bottom, you can see the Windhawk. And if you have a look here in the utilization, the disk is 0, the CPU is 0, only 4 MB of RAM it's been occupied. Even because the Windhawk has been open, and if I close it, it will be reduced much and much. Very lightweighted application guys, and you will enjoy without any kind of problem, without any kind of lag. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you will love this customization. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.